This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Adrian Asinski. Nestled on just under 5 acres of land, this exquisite home offers luxury living at its finest. Boasting 4 bedrooms, a den, 4 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, this stunning floor plan creates a spacious and flowing living space along with a dining and living area that is great for entertaining. The kitchen is a culinary haven with custom cabinetry, an expansive island, stainless steel Jenn-Air appliances and an amazing walk-in pantry providing an abundant space for all your kitchen necessities. Immerse yourself in the luxurious pool and spa, complete with a panoramic screen that enhances the view of the lush landscaping surrounding the property. Additionally, the property features an attached one-car garage and a large detached garage for multiple vehicles, making it ideal for car enthusiasts or those in need of extra storage space. With a perfect blend of modern amenities and generous living space, this property offers both comfort and versatility for a variety of lifestyles. Located close to Founders Square, shopping, 30 minutes from the beach, and in a great school district, this property has everything to offer. For more information, review the details below.